This installation video provides a visual guidance for the installation of an easy step threshold 3-piece Freedom Shower. In this video, we will be featuring the APF 6032 SH3P. This video also relates to the APF 3648 SH3P. Please refer to the installation manual for specific details relating to the installation of your shower. An able-bodied adult must be present during the arrival of your unit to receive, inspect, and note on the bill of lading any visual damage to the carton or crate that may have occurred during transit. Do not allow the driver to leave until this is done. Failure to do so may limit or void your claim with the LTL carrier for repair or replacement. Photograph any suspicion of damage for your records and contact accessibility professionals immediately. Now is the time to dry assemble your modular shower prior to moving into the bathroom space. This procedure can be performed on any clean, dry, and open space. This is an important step for ensuring that you have received the correct panels. The panels and pan are free from damage and defect, and the panels align properly when assembled prior to installing the framing pocket. The following is a list of the required tools. The following is a list of the materials needed. Check the framing pocket to ensure it is sized properly with the dimensions provided on the framing diagrams page in your installation instructions. Next, check the pocket for square, plumb, and level and make the necessary adjustments. Note, it is more common than not that adjustments will need to be made. Start by hanging a plumb bob from the framing beginning at the back wall. This is critical to your installation. In this demonstration, the wall was not plumb. A solution is to either shim the pan away from the wall or notch the stud. This is critical to a proper installation of the back wall panels. Slight variances will affect plumb walls and uneven grout lines. Inspect the subfloor for level and structural integrity. A solid, non-flexing subfloor is required. Strengthen and replace any weak or damaged subfloor materials. Ensure pocket is cleaned from all debris. Pre-position 3 short lengths of 1/2-inch PVC plastic pipe as slider rails or shoehorns in the framing pocket. Dry fit your shower base to ensure it fits the frame properly and is centered with the drain. Lower the shower base at a 45-degree angle onto the PVC pipe as shown. This will assist greatly on sliding the base into the framing pocket. Depending on your room configuration and clearances, it may be necessary to cut additional drywall to provide enough clearance to install the pan. Remember, you may need to shim the base out away from the stud to ensure the walls can be installed properly. Level the base temporarily, fastening the base to one stud on the center of the back wall with one screw. Once level, draw a line on the subfloor indicating the front point of the threshold. This will provide a visual cue for a later step when permanently installing the base. Remove temporary screw and pull the shower base back out of the framing pocket. Remove the inside neoprene gasket and compression ring and set aside for a later step. Install the provided commercial 2-inch no-caulk shower drain body on the base using plumber's putty. The base is manufactured with a built-in back leg support. During the dry fit procedure, you will notice the base does not sit level naturally. The support leg is cut short to provide adjustment for unlevel floors. Proper installation requires solid contact between the bottom of the support leg and the subfloor as your warranty depends on it. First, measure the distance from the front apron to the center of the back leg. Now, transfer that measurement from the previously marked line on the floor and using a straight edge, mark line on the floor for the back leg. Next, using approximately 1 tube of 100% clear silicone adhesive, apply every 2 inches on your line as shown. The adhesive should be applied at a height that ensures contact with the base as it sets in place, which means each bead of silicone should be at least 1 inch or greater. Once the adhesive has cured, this will provide proper support and adhesion between the pan and the subfloor. With the base ready to install permanently, position and line up the drain over the drain pipe. Slowly lower the base to level, nudging in small movements until the base meets the line drawn on the floor from an earlier step. Resecure the center screw to the stud wall. Note, leaning into the shower can easily nudge your base out of level. It is recommended to secure one screw into each wall, rechecking level as you go. A level base is critical to wall assembly. Secure the pan to all available studs, shimming where necessary, countersinking number 10 stainless steel screws. This allows the screw head to be flush with the finished flange so as to not interfere with the finished wall installation. Cut the drain pipe using an inside pipe cutting tool. Using plumber's grease, lubricate the inside of the rubber gasket and slide over the drain pipe with beveled edge facing up. Push down until it seats itself, then screw compression ring into place until tight. It is recommended that you apply temporary protection for the floor surface. It is now safe to step in the shower for next steps. Now it is time to install the seat side wall. Your shower features a pin and slot system that enables you to install all panels from the front finished side without requiring rear access. Begin by using the 100% silicone adhesive applying to the base ledge as shown, encircling the single pin and any shipping bolt holes on the ledge. Lift wall panel into place, guiding the wall over the alignment pin. Check alignment of the tile grout line, then secure wall to studs with screws, shimming where necessary to ensure wall surfaces are flush. Wipe away any excess adhesive that may have squeezed out. Before installing the valve wall, we must first install the valve. Refer to valve manufacturer's instructions for conventional sweat installations. For this demonstration, we will be installing a valve with PEX connections. First, find the desired location of your valve and apply protective masking tape over the area to be cut. Mark the center of your valve and drill a hole in the diameter listed in your valve instructions. Mount the valve directly to the panel by connecting the front trim plate to the valve body using the mounting screws provided by the valve manufacturer. Next, mount the shower arm eared L as shown. Note, if your existing shower supply is higher than the new shower wall panel, leave in place and then connect to your new valve. The framing cove has been prepared to receive PEX pipe in a looped pattern to prevent kinking and allow ease of connection from the valve to the water supplies. Using the 100% silicone, apply to all interior seams. Rest the panel on a bucket as shown during water connection to avoid chipping the panel or the pan. Connect the hot and cold water PEX supply lines using PEX crimp or shark bite push-on fittings. Notice the installers are using 90-degree fittings, which work best in this application. When the wall is resting on the bucket and fully connected, now is the time to turn the water back on and test for leaks. Install wall by starting at the center seam, rotating it to place. Check alignment of the tile grout, then secure wall to studs with screws, shimming where necessary to ensure wall surfaces are flush. Your shower is fully reinforced and ready to receive surface mount accessories now or any time in the future. It is highly recommended that the client be involved in identifying the ideal placement of accessories according to their needs. Always mark, drill, and silicone in a circular pattern around pilot holes for all accessories. The unit is designed to allow a 1/8 inch gap at the seams. Caulk all seams as well as the front edge of the threshold. Do not use your shower until caulk is cured. See caulk instructions for cure time. A premium caulk is recommended. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Freedom Low Threshold shower, providing years of safety and independence.